Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, June the 3rd. The time is around 10 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of the AUDUSD dollars. This is a 30 minutes chart here. We can see the pair has been rallying pretty strongly in the past few days here. We are calling the rally as an impulse. We can see in the subdivision. This is with 2. We are ending with 3 right here. You can see subdivision 1, 2 in 5 waves. 1, 2, diagonal. And then we have 3, 4. And then this is our 5. And then currently we are correcting this cycle from this low here in 3, 7, 11 swing, right? So we have already gotten the first 3 swings. It still can do a 7, but no guarantee, of course, right? Can always end it the 4 here. If you measure the retracement here, typically with 4 should be ending between 23.6 38.2. Now we hit already the 23.6 retracement, so like I said, we do not have to do a 7 swing. We could have ended 4 here and then just go higher again. Okay, so right side is up in the shorter cycle. That means we like more upside in the AUDUSD dollars right here. Now looking at the zooming out a little bit in the higher time frame. Okay, this is not really the whole entire count here, but it should give you enough ideas of what we can expect. Let me put 3 here, and this is I believe where is the 2 here. So the 2 is around 65 66. 65 66 is somewhere here. Okay, so we are in some sort of 5 waves here. Okay, from this from here. Okay, we have some sort of 5 waves from here from May 22nd, in which we are only ending with 3 right here. Now looking at a bigger time frame, larger degree, if we look at it from this March 19, this is the COVID-19 low. Now we could see what looks to be a 5-way sub followed by a shallow correction and then extending higher again. So if this is the right connector, so to speak, the EP or the 1, 2, then you can simply measure the 100% as your potential target area, and you can see we can potentially still see a lot more upside here with target towards 0.7190. Okay, so we have not reached the minimum 100%. Now if this is 1, 2, then obviously it can even go higher than this, just 7190, but we do like for the upside in the meantime. All right, in the shorter cycle, again, any pullback therefore should continue to find support here in 3, 7, 11 swing, again 65 66. All right, so that's the update from the AUDUSD dollars. As always, if you do like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you like to try our service, we have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description below the video here. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day to everyone.